Number 1, start with deep breathing and light body movement. Number 2, gently tilt your head side to side, stay relaxed. Number 3, move your arms in small circles to warm joints. Number 4, bring your arms overhead and stretch the body. Number 5, twist your upper world slowly. Feel the core wake up. Number 6, shift your hips side to side to improve mobility. Number 7, perform light knee bends, keep control. Number 8, reach down and stretch your legs gently. Number 9, reset your posture and breathe deep. Number 10, warm up complete, you're ready to move.